Good morning, students. This is experiment number 4 about fibers to fabric. Means it is experiment of chemistry. In this experiment, we will learn about the burning of different fibers, how they smell. Look at this. So, what we have to experiment? We have to know about the study of burning of different fibers used for making clothes. Means you have to know about fibers. What is fiber? Fiber is a thin thread-like structure or hair-like structure. From these fibers we make yarn, and from yarn we make fabric. Okay, such as plant fiber, they are cotton, jute. Animal fiber, silk, wool, they are animal fiber. And synthetic fiber means nylon, polyester, etc. How we recognize whether the given fiber is silk or wool or cotton or animal fiber or plastic? Means synthetic. Materials needed. A small pieces of some clothes made up of artificial silk, pure silk, wool, cotton, and we need candle, matchbox and forceps to hold the material. What is the procedure? Take all sample of clothes and keep it in a sequence according to the observation table, serial order. Okay. First of all, light the candle by the help of matchbox. Then take out 1 or 2 fiber from the cut piece of cloth. Means take one thread of cloth or that fiber and hold one fiber one at a time with a forceps, and now burn it over the flame. Write your observation. How it burns and what is the smell. Here is a piece of silk cloth. Here is a woolen ball. There is a silk thread, piece of silk clothes, candle and forceps, and burning of thread. Our observations. Artificial silk means synthetic material. So burning over flame. Smell, if any. What we observe. Artificial silk burns and burns very quickly, and also some black bead type round bead type balls just they comes out from the burning, and also it has a smell of burning of plastic. It looks like that plastic is burning. Second is pure silk. Pure silk gives the smell of a burning of skin. Pure silk gives the smell of a smell of skin or charred meat. Then it is silk, because silk comes from silk moth, silkworm, and silkworm is a animal. So burning of silk gives a smell of skin, burning of skin or burning of a meat. Woolen fiber. When we burn a woolen cloth or woolen fiber, it burns slowly and it gives the smell of a burning of hair. It looks like that it smells like a burning of hair. And one thing also, cotton. If we burn a cotton piece, it gives a smell of a burning of a paper. If it gives burning a smell of a paper, it must be cotton. So these are some observations. So we can say woolen, we just recognize that this is woolen, wool fiber, because it gives burning of smell of hair. Silk gives burning smell of skin. Cotton gives burning smell of paper. And artificial silk, polyester or nylon, it gives a burning smell of plastic. Okay. So, what is the conclusion? Different fibers burn with different characteristic flame and smell. Some burns very fast, some burns very somehow slowly. Result: fibers burn when kept in flame. All fibers burn when kept in flame. Note: fibers that do not catch the flame or burn in flame quickly, the clothes made by it also does not burn quickly. If the fiber does not catches fire quickly, then the cloth also made by them does not burn quickly. This is note. Therefore, while working, cooking, celebrating Diwali, one must wear cloth made up of such fiber, because cotton burns slowly and it catches fire lastly. In respect to silk or wool or artificial silk catches fire very fast. So, what are the precautions? Hold the fiber with a tongue or forceps. Do not throw the burning fiber on side. इधर उधर नहीं फेंकना है. Keep a tumbler with water in case flame gets bigger. Put it off by using water. Means to start this experiment, put a bucket of water sidewise. Now some questions. What is a fiber? Fiber is a thin thread or hair-like structure. Which fiber catch fire quickly? Nylon, synthetic material, artificial silk, polyester, etc. Which worm is pure silk obtained from? It is obtained from silkworm. Which fiber gives a smell of a burning hair? Wool. Because wool comes from fur of sheep, etc. Sheep, camel, goat, all these we get wool. Now question: a cloth fiber can be, cloth is of natural fiber. It is natural. Cloth can be, not cotton, it is not cotton, it is cloth. Can be natural, artificial, natural and artificial, none of these. Maybe natural and artificial, both. So our answer is third, natural and artificial. Fibers may be natural and artificial. So that's all. Thanks for watching the video.